Hi guys, welcome to the last video of the Food and Mood Creations 2021 Christmas series. Today we're making protein carrot cake. This is stevia and I'm gonna add oil to it and whisk to combine. I know this is a lot of oil, but you can substitute half of the oil with unsweetened applesauce. I didn't have any, so I just used oil. Also, this cake will be lighter than most carrot cakes because I use stevia. There are brown sugar-free substitutes available. I didn't have any, so I just used stevia. I'm going to add the eggs one at a time and whisk to combine. This is the gluten-free flour blend I'm using. It contains brown rice flour, pea protein powder, spices, salt, and baking powder. If you do not like brown rice flour, you can substitute it with cassava flour or another gluten-free flour. If you want to omit the protein powder or make this carrot cake keto, there are instructions on the website. Just click the link in the description box below. I whisk the dry ingredients to combine, then I'm gonna add it to the wet ingredients, alternating with the milk. I'm going to fold in the shredded carrots and pour this protein carrot cake batter into a 9-inch cake pan, greased with non-stick cooking spray, and bake it for 40 to 45 minutes. I frosted this carrot cake with keto, sugar-free cream cheese frosting, toasted coconut, and dehydrated carrot chips. All of those recipe links will be in the description box below. As you can see, this protein carrot cake came out beautifully. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.